got the body of it worked up. Now I'm at the point where I have 5 more rows before we do the heel. Oh, and I love how that heel looks, or the open heel. What we're going to do is this front side, I have my loom marked from one half to the other half. And this front side, like you are already doing, where you follow whatever colors you choose, you will purl those colors and you will flat stitch the rest. You keep doing that on the front side. Now this back side, you will do 5 rows of single rib stitch. You will flat stitch one, purl one, flat stitch one, purl one, just for this back half. So you go ahead and get those 5 rows done.